you sure about this?
Pretty. More than 2 times we drive over Jamaica, you know. Place kind of look familiar.
You can't make me still can't believe this.
So you still have the full video in your phone?
Yeah.
Why? If you're suspicion, right? I have to delete and wipe your phone, you know.
What? So what happened to the worst case scenario?
Yeah. What you mean?
I mean, what if the court get involved and find out some me delete stuff and wipe the phone?
Pretty. You're going too far, you know. Furthermore, I don't even know why you're pre if you're right, you know.
Jay, come on. You know when my gut tell me something, me usually right.
That's true, you know. Further, you when you come on to that, you know.
So everybody silent now.
Well, after seeing the dirt that was presented on them, they would be so stupid to still vote no confidence.
Yeah. But even so, I know I'm going to do some house cleaning because a lot of devils are still left in there.
Well, I told you from the beginning, but you were busy playing house instead of running a political party.
Alright, I don't no more dolly house thing. I take your advice. Now the gloves are off. And none of them can be trusted.
Marcus, what we need to remember is that dogs are only loyal to you when you're feeding them at the moment.
So I guess I'm gonna have to make sure that I always have some puppy show on hand.
You're right about that. But Mr. Wallace, since we are here, we have a new issue on hand with the teacher's salary.
Maxine, I hope you're not going where I think you're going, you know. I think we have been more than fair in the offer that we gave them. 629 delegates voted that it was acceptable. The others are just being very difficult.
Well, I think the reason for them being difficult is that it's overdue. They have been asking for this increase for forever. We have been dragging our feet. We gave them the ammunition and they used it.
And they've gotten the raise now, so what am I complaining about? This government has done more for them than any other government over the years. So they should more than settle for what they have gotten.
You know, that's coming from a place of emotion, right?